What's up, Wolf Canyon Elementary? It is Superfly Ty coming back to you guys for our second step into becoming mighty leaders. Now, yesterday, right, we talked about being mindful, right? So, everyone go like this with me. Remember the mindful chant? Everyone say, mind check, kind check. Ready? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Mind check, kind check. I hope you guys had a mind check today and you have a great attitude about the rest of your day. And then go out and help other people and make sure that they're doing okay by doing those kind checks, right? Today is step number 2 and it starts with the letter I. But you know what? Almost forgot something. Let's start our day off with an Apex Mighty chant. So everyone stand up out of your chairs wherever you're at home. If you're doing your virtual thing, I want you to stand up and make some noise with me, all right? So everyone stand up. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Stomp, stomp, clap. Stomp, stomp, clap. Apex, Apex, Mighty. Woo! Good job, my friends. Now, let's talk about step number 2, right? It starts with the letter I, as you can see. Does anyone know it out there? Go ahead and shout it out if you know it. If you said integrity, you are correct. Now, I would say, what's integrity? Huh? Guess what? Integrity means we are honest and always doing what's right, especially when no one is watching, right? It is being true, okay? You guys can show integrity every single day by doing small things, right? For example, maybe we are learning virtually. We're on our computers, and maybe you are tempted maybe to start playing some video games on another TV, right, when no one's watching, or maybe even turn on the TV, even though you're supposed to be focused, right, on your teacher virtually, right? Integrity would to be like, no, I'm going to stay focused today. I am going to be honest. I'm going to make sure I'm learning today. Or another example is keeping a promise, right? If you promise to do something, having integrity is delivering that promise, right? That is a big thing about being a mighty leader. If you say you're going to do something for someone, if you say you promise you will help someone, do your best to keep that promise, right? Have integrity because there is so much that we can gain from integrity. All right? Let me give you another example. Maybe you're walking in the grocery store, right, with your family, okay, and you notice someone ahead of you in line dropped a $20 bill. Free money! Woo, free money! You know what? The integrity thing to do, pick up that $20 bill, right? And say, hey, sir, I think you dropped this $20 bills and give it back. Even little things like that can go a long way. Because, guys, the more integrity that you have, the more trust and the more freedom you will gain. Everyone say, freedom, right? We all want freedom, right? We all want to be trusted, okay, by our parents, our teachers, our friends. The more trust you have, right, the more freedom. They know that they don't have to watch you all the time because they can trust you, okay? Integrity, my friends, it's kind of like a muscle, right? And the more you use it, the more trust you build, the stronger it gets, okay? So here is my chant for you guys today, okay? I want to see those muscles ready, okay? Everyone get nice and strong here because we're going to go like this. It goes like this. We're going to say, integrity, it's up to me. You guys like the sound of that? Awesome. All right, let's do it all together. Ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Integrity, it's up to me. Nice job, my friends. Take a seat. All right? You guys, you are doing so well in your guys' school. I'm so excited for you guys. Now, quick update on our challenge. You guys are almost there at 50% logged in. Remember, I said if half the school can just log in, that means put in their access code and simply go onto the website and put in their access code. I will take a pie in the face. We are almost there. I'm going to give you over the weekend to try to get that log in pie in the face challenge. But guess what? I'm going to add something else to your challenge. We're going to have a little competition this weekend, all right? Here's my competition. The class out of the whole school that can raise the most over the weekend, that means get the most pledges, raise the most money over the weekend, one class, the class that can do it, I will buy a $50 gift card for that class and give it to your teacher, and your teacher can use it on your classroom, right? To improve everything in her classroom, or maybe do something special for you guys virtually. A $50 gift card, Amazon gift card, to your teacher and to your class. So good luck, my friends. Let's see which class is going to win that challenge. Now, reminder, I have my first prize pickup, and you can start getting your event backpacks with all of your daily wristbands on Monday. So over the weekend, if you get some pledges, if you start thinking, you know what, oh, I think I have some awards ready, guess what? I will be at the school in the pickup lines from 3:30 to 5:30. Come on by, just tell me your teacher's name and your name, and you will get your awards and your backpack, all right? Thank you so much, guys. Have a great weekend. I will see you guys all later.